when you hear what being all the things that are required around the credit life cycle, you can imagine if you have 1,000 transactions that have to go through that process and how scary that can be to some extent. So the impact of AI and machine learning cannot be overemphasized. In fact, you can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying the patterns that human analytics might miss because of the sheer volume of financials that you have to contend with. This leads to more accurate risk assessments as these algorithms continuously refine their patterns and models. So it's not a human intervention with certain limitations, but you have the AI and the machine learning using algorithms that help to define the process of the customers, especially for the retail and SME customers, where you have large volume. But with the large ticket transactions as well, you can also use that. You can integrate the AI into your core banking to determine appropriate decisions to take around the credit that you are faced with. Additionally, also AI-driven initiatives enable personalized credit offers tailored to individual customer profiles. So the AI determines how best the kind of offers that you can make to the potential clients that you are availing these credits to. And lastly, also that automated process helps to streamline the application and approval process, reducing the turnaround time to getting decisions taken and bringing about that convenience that leads to the customer coming back over and over, and also playing the role of your network partner, as it were, telling others about how efficient your services are, how effective your services are. With machine learning and AI, you cannot but be seen to making the right decisions around the effect and roles they play. For instance, Bimbo mentioned a whole lot of aspects of the credit origination process that has human limitations if the numbers are enormous. And true to type, I need to also mention the fact that we also use Credit 360 in Wema Bank, and the impact has been so phenomenal because prior certain transactions you cannot attend to except you are on site to deal with those transactions. On the go, on your mobile phone, you can take certain decisions because the solution has profiled the customer, taking certain decisions, drawn about some risk rating on the customer to enable you determine whether to lend to this customer or not, whether the customer will default on the loan or not, and the appropriate pricing to apply to this to the customer's credit. So AI and machine learning and their impact on the credit process cannot be overemphasized. It's important as long as you journey on the growth on the credit process, your credit journey, the growth on your credit process, you cannot but look at the role AI and machine learning help you navigate through the storm because the volumes are increasing, the opportunities are there, and you cannot attend to as many transactions as they come. And the good thing about it also is that you can decide to apply two different approaches to all of this. For instance, you have your digital platform. You can integrate the solution into your digital platform so that the things that the human would typically have done around your retail transactions or your SME transactions, the solution using AI technology and machine learning interfaces with your core application to determine whether to give a loan to this customer or not. Having done the various multiple scans, credit bureau checks, the customer credit history, the cash flows of the customer, source of repayment, and all of that, macroeconomic conditions that are factored into the algorithm that the system uses to determine whether this customer is fit for purpose, fit for the loan, and whether the loan will go bad in the course of that journey. So really, for me, I would always say that AI and machine learning have critical roles to play in ensuring that credit decisions are taken with adequate information, and it helps management to take informed lending decisions around the credits wherein decisions are taken by management and instances where the loans are digitized and they're taken through the parameters used by the solution and working closely with the AI and the algorithm to ascertain whether the loan should be given or not based on the parameters and the assessment that has been done on that customer. And the beauty about it is that when the process is seamless, fast, and efficient, the customers will be satisfied, and without a doubt, they would always come back and they'll always help champion your cause and tell their own friends, tell other customers about the quality of service they got from leveraging on the partnership they had with your institution. And I would not but say the role FinTrack has played within the Wema journey is quite commendable. And I would always say that it's a good omen for the bank because it has helped us with our credit journey and also improved on some of our credit processing and approvals of our credit transactions.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.